The electric-powered Tugger moves loads without excessive stress or strain on the user's body. It has a high torque, 24-volt DC drive motor to handle heavy-duty jobs. The ergonomic handle features easy-to-operate throttle with infinite speed adjustment. The electromagnetic disc brake with automatic dead man feature activates when user releases handle. It has two 12-volt batteries, integrated battery charger, and battery level gauge. It rolls smoothly on two 12x5 solid foam rubber drive wheels and two 3x1.25 poly wheels. Easy access to battery charger compartment. Horn is also standard. Unit comes fully assembled. Available attachments include adjustable double side hook, adjustable ball mount hitch, spring-loaded manual channel lift, multi-mover, pin hitch, with electric power Tugger, you can pull or push industrial carts, hoppers, trash cans, trailers, etc.
Any questions? Please feel free to call us toll-free at 888-811-5941. Okay, that's it for now. This is Bob again, thanking you for stopping by handtruckstogo.com and wishing you a great day.